Okay, my recommendation is to just rewrite it a tiny little bit. The secant's -2, so I'm going to say the cosine of theta would be equal to -1/2. So, I always do the same thing. That little circle goes down, and, I have to start to realize what it is. It's a circle of radius 2 now. And then the big question is, what coordinate do I know? Well, I only know the x now, so I'm going to write this down. The x is going to be -1, and the r is going to be 2. And that can occur in two different spots, by the way. All right? All right, so the x is -1, and the r is 2. Then you got to start to wonder about, I wonder what angle it is. Right? I wonder what angle that is. And I hope you start to realize that a triangle that would do that, and that would be a 60-degree reference angle. I'll write this over here. So theta r would be 60 degrees. Let me just review that with you. 60 degrees looks like this over here. That would be √3, 2, 1. And a cosine of 60 is 1/2. That's the reference going to be, right? We need to know that. If that's the reference, I'm going to erase her out. I want to point out, if it's the reference, I know my pictures aren't great, by the way. This angle over here has got to be 60 degrees. What does that mean? This is 120 degrees. So I got one angle, 120 degrees. Again, likewise over here, this would have to be 60 degrees. What's the angle going to be? 180 plus 60, which is 240 degrees. All right, so I got the two angles, and I want to write them down for you. So it's 120 degrees, and the other one's going to be 240 degrees. You should also be able to write them down in radian or revolutions. Let's go through that. And, take the 120 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. That would divide through by 60 degrees. You would get 2 pi over 3. You could write that down. And if you took the other number, which is 240 degrees, multiply by pi over 180 degrees, again, divide through by 60 degrees, you get 4 pi over 3. Okay, so here's the deal. Let's take a look at it. It says find two solution equations. We did. They want us to put it down in degrees and in radian. And I did that. Let's check the key. 120, 240, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. We're doing fine. Thank you.